Hey, this is Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. We finally got the orange one done. Omaha Orange 2019 Peterbilt 389. Extended hood with a 72-inch flat top with a platinum interior. And then we just got it back from the body shop. One thing I like to do is paint the back of the headlight pods. Ties them in much better with the truck. So we went ahead and did polished stainless steel lights, front and back, an air breather, and we also did internal in the air breather. It looks really good at night. We got the back. Painted the air tanks, and we were supposed to have wider straps on that air tank, but we sent the wrong parts. And this one is actually sold now. We painted the air tank, or the fuel tanks, wider straps on those also. Left the ends polished and did the wider straps. I think it looks absolutely great. Did toolboxes, small frame deck access, flush mounted. This particular truck's 11R22.5s all the way around. Bridgestone M799s. Peterbilt low air leaf suspension, and we did drum brakes on this one, just purely a cost thing for a stock truck. No slide fifth wheel. Did the logger style radio antenna, and PDI forgot to put on the CB antenna, so we put a back of sleeper CB antenna on there. Toolbox steps, 150-gallon tank on this side. Paint the cylinder, leave the ends polished. And then I think they sent us the wrong kit. This it's supposed to have lights in that, but it's, for some reason, the way they mount this after treatment box, it's a little taller than it used to be last year, and so we got to change that out. We get the lights. This particular truck has Cummins X15, 565 horsepower, 1850 torque, 15-liter engine with a 14-inch drop visor. These particular lights almost go real well with the paint, so we just left them orange. Did not do an air ride front axle on this for cost. But we do have disc brakes on the steer axle, which is standard. Come around the other side here. Omaha Orange, a bright orange. Here's the other side of the Cummins. Do a Davco fuel filter. Much easier to see when to change your fuel filter, much nicer. Remote lube. Make sure if you buy one of these with remote lube, you put a few extra pumps of grease in there, because the factories admitted that they probably barely fill the lines. So learned that last week. Take a look inside. It's got a platinum interior. Still got the plastic on the carpet to keep it clean. Close the door so got all the gauges. This one actually has navigation. Got everything lit up. FM, CD, navigation, full gauges. But some of these gauges are in the, it should not say full gauges. Some of the gauges are in the navigation screen. We got a factory mounted CB, black leather seats, Peterbilt Ultra Ride seats, 18 speed. The reason we do the Peterbilt Ultra Ride seats is these armrests actually fold up and go behind the seat, as you can see. So it gives you a lot more room to pass from the cab into the sleeper. Much nicer. Got a closet at the business center, do a little paperwork there. Flat tops are very comfortable, but they're not made to just live on the road. I know very few people like to just live in their truck in a flat top. If you're out a night or two a week, it's okay. S-bar heater, so you got the bunk heater, alarm clock, and got some speakers back here. Got the premium sound system in it. But this one is sold. I got a lime green one that's being dolled up right now, and I got more on the way. I got a plum crazy metallic that's ready to go. You can call me, text me, email me. Keith Couch, Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. Thanks, and keep it between the ditches.